See it here, guys. This is Jamaican goodness. This is Calaloo, fresh from the farm. Yeah. So here's your Calaloo. And when it comes to stripping, you start at the head and you feel until you feel a tender part, and you strip it down like this. See that? Strip it down. Also, when your Calaloo have these are the seeds. You can put it to dry and plant it again. But when it comes to steaming, you want to remove that like that. And I like to do this, cut it in half, strip it down, and strip it down. Strip off all of these, and do it with all the others, and wash. And I'm going to show you how I cut also. Now, as for cutting, you can hold it in your hand like this. This is something I used to do. Or you can put it on a cutting board, but you can do as I do. I use a scissors. Easy way to do your Calaloo, to use a scissors. And I use a scissors, and I go as I cut as I go. See that, guys? Easy and simple. Make life easy. And you want all that goodness, and I'm going to show you. And I'm going to only use some Maggi season and a little bit of salt. That's it. Look at that. All that goodness. Ooh, smells so good. So this is my finished result, guys. Real vegan food, Rastaman food. This one, real Jamaican scenting. This lovely Jamaican. It's gonna be for breakfast, sometime with dinner, lunch, anything you want to have this with. Yeah, taste Jamaican goodness. Try this, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.